Deep pore cleaning for sebaceous filaments. Nose pore transformation. Many people see tiny dots on their nose and immediately think those are blackheads. But in many cases, they're actually sebaceous filaments, natural oil pathways that exist in every healthy pore. Today's treatment focuses on deep pore cleaning for sebaceous filaments and a complete nose pore transformation. What sebaceous filaments actually do? Sebaceous filaments have an important job. They help move natural oils from deep inside the skin to the surface. Think of them as tiny oil highways inside the pores. Without them, healthy oil flow wouldn't happen efficiently. Why they become more visible? Sebaceous filaments become easier to see when oil production increases. Pores appear larger, excess sebum accumulates. This is why the nose often shows them more clearly than other areas of the face. Step 1. Deep cleansing preparation. The process begins with a thorough cleanse to remove surface oil and prepare the pores. Step 2. Steam oil softening. Warm steam helps soften excess sebum trapped inside the pores. This makes deep cleaning more effective. Step 3. Sebaceous filaments extraction. As the treatment begins, visible oil-filled filaments start releasing from the pores. The nose immediately appears cleaner and less congested. Step 4. Full nose pore transformation. With more buildup removed, the pore surface becomes noticeably cleaner. The skin starts appearing smoother, fresher, more refined. Understanding realistic expectations. Deep pore cleaning can significantly improve appearance. However, sebaceous filaments naturally return because they are part of normal skin function. The goal is improvement, not permanent elimination. Step 5. Recovery skin refresh. A soothing treatment is applied to calm the skin and complete the transformation. Final results. Before, visible sebaceous filaments and oily pore appearance. After, cleaner looking pores and smoother skin texture, a satisfying nose pore transformation. Final message: the goal isn't to erase sebaceous filaments forever. The goal is to keep pores looking cleaner, smoother, and healthier over time. If you enjoyed this deep pore cleaning for sebaceous filaments and nose pore transformation, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more skincare education, pore cleaning, and satisfying extraction videos.